All right, here's the law of sines. You use the law of sines whenever you have two angles and a side across. So the way they word it is side, angle, side, not side, I'm sorry, angle, angle, side, and angle, side, angle. So angle, angle, side, or side, angle, angle, side, angle. Because what you need to look for to do the law of sines is whether you have a side and the angle across. If you have those quantities, you'll be able to use the law of sines to solve. So this is the law of sines. Side A over the sine of angle A equals side B over the sine of angle B, which also equals side C over the sine of angle C. Now, you'll never use all three at once. You'll use a pair of them like that, or a pair of them like that, depending on what you're looking for. But that's how it all works out. So that is the law of sines. So let's take a look at number 12. The measure of angle A is 45. The measure of angle B is 60. And A is 7. Well, look, we want to find C. So they don't even give anything about C, but let's go ahead and just draw a triangle. Doesn't matter, random old triangle. If you label this A, and this is 45 degrees, then side A is across from it, it's 7. Side B, angle B is 60 degrees, and across from 60 degrees, we don't know, it's little b. So this is angle C, and this is little c. Well, if they give you two angles, how can you find the third angle? Since we have to solve for C, getting angle C would be the easiest thing to do first. So you add 45 and 60, and then you subtract it from 180 because, as we know, the triangles add up to 180 degrees, so it's 75 degrees. So C is 75 degrees. Now, once you have that, we can just set up the law of sines. 7 over the sine of 45 degrees equals C, which is what we're looking for, over the sine of 75 degrees. So we know to cross multiply. 7 times the sine of 75 degrees equals C times the sine of 45 degrees. So we can solve for this. Let's just go ahead and use the numbers. So 7 times the sine of 75 is 6.76, and that equals C times the sine of 45, which is 0.707. Now to solve, we just divide both sides by 0.707. So 6.76 divided by 0.707 gives us 9.56. So C equals 9.56. Okay, you see how that is done. I have to start that over again because I got the wrong answer somehow.